What is good, world? It's your boy Queezy, man, back again with another exclusive review, man. Today we got an unboxing from Aliexpress. I bought a couple items for the truck, man. Y'all know we got Rick Ross Car Show coming up June 1st, so I gotta get the truck right, man. But let's get right into it, man. First things first, your boy done went aluminum, you get what I'm saying, tire valve caps, man. You get what I'm saying. You did. I gotta put these on my tires, man. They gonna match my chrome wheels, man. So I went the chrome aluminum colorway, man, to match my rims. You get what I'm saying? Big boys, you know what I'm saying? We moving right through. And then this right here is really what I've been waiting on. This big package right here. You get what I'm saying? This big package right here, y'all. We went big boy white racing stripe, y'all. This is a white racing rally stripe. It's gonna go down the direct middle of the truck. It's gonna go from the back all the way to the front. You get what I'm saying? I'm about to install this before Rick Ross Car Show, man. I want to do a couple other little things, but drop some comments below, man. Let me know what y'all think I should do before Rick Ross Car Show, man. Like, what should I do? I'm thinking exhaust. I'm thinking making the exhaust louder. I'm thinking maybe cold air intake. And I'm thinking redoing all the tint and tinting my windshield, man. Drop some comments below and let me know, man. But that's it for this video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see y'all on the next one, man. Stop sleeping on Ali, man, because they really the GOAT. They got the parts for the low. You dig?